Uh, Big ass. Bang! I know a bitch named Prince. Switch make you pass out. We call her Prince cause she leave niggas ass out. Most niggas tricks. Quick to get a cash out. Won't get a mother shit, but got this bitch at they stash house. Damn, you got that bitch at your stash house? Should've seen that coming like a brick through a glass house. Used to roll with a bitch named Vic with a fast mouth. She sucked dick like a video victim. Take your mind off the fact that a shit of yours missing. Listen, do you hear that sound? That's two niggas in your kitchen. Here right now, two silences so neighbors don't hear that sound. Hi! Now that's a bad, bad bitch. Like, damn, don't you wish you had that bitch? Make you jump out the car, bag that bitch. Like, fuck it, I'ma have to crash my whip. Yeah, little something for y'all. Big bitch, again, root for the villain. So when you Google me, put in root for the villain. Not the proper spelling, nigga. R-O-O-T-4-T-H-A, villain, alright? I'm not a proper English person, you feel me? I write the way I fucking feel like singing or how I think it sounds. That's how the fuck I write.